Hi there. Today, we're going to learn how to create a new admin account on a staging site. If you're setting up a staging environment and need a user that doesn't exist on your live site, you can easily create one during the staging process. Let's jump in and get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to the Users tab and click on All Users to review the existing users on your production site. Next, go to the WP Staging tab and click on Staging Sites to proceed. Now, you'll see a button labeled Create Staging Site. Click on it to start creating a new staging site. Enter a name for your staging site, then click on the Advanced Settings tab. Check the New Admin Account box and enter the email and password for the new admin account. Scroll down and click the Start Cloning button. The staging site creation process will begin. Just wait for it to complete. Once it's done, you'll see your staging site URL. Click on it to access the site. Now, go to the Users tab on your staging site and click on All Users. You'll see that your newly created admin account has been successfully added. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.